Please, Your Lordship.
Yes, please.
Lordship, kindly allow me to mention one unlisted repetition.
What is that urgency?
To extend interim order.
To extend interim order?
Yes, Lordship. When the matter was listed on 2025, it's not reflected in the order. The interim which I mentioned.
Okay. Okay.
Obliged.
Please, Your Lordship.
Yes.
May I be pleased to mention hearing item number 2 on behalf of.
Hearing item
Number 2. Yes. Lordship,
not 2,
26, Your Lordship, I'm sorry.
26. Yes.
On behalf of Supong, Your Lordship,
Yes.
she is indisposed.
Yes.
So let the matter come up after 2 weeks.
MS Livika, Learned Counsel. Makes a mention on behalf of MS S. Supong Chang,
Yes,
Learned Counsel for the makes a mention on behalf of MS S. Supong Chang, Learned Government Advocate, and seeks adjournment of the case after 2 weeks on the ground that the Learned Government Advocate is indisposed. Prayer is allowed, listed accordingly. Okay.
Lordship, I also beg to mention item number 27.
Ah,
Your Lordship, on behalf of Bichani, Your Lordship,
Which,
this matter can come up after 3 weeks.
why 3 weeks? Yeah, why? 2 weeks? We listed after 2 weeks.
Lordship, I'm appearing for the petitioner. Lordship.
MS Livika, the learned counsel makes a mention on behalf of MS Pichano, the learned government advocate, and seeks adjournment of the case after 2 weeks. Prayer is allowed, listed accordingly. Okay.
Obliged, Lordship.
My pleasure, Lordship. Lordship, I'd like to mention item number 17.
Item
On
17.
behalf of my senior alum.
Let it come as per the list. Let it come as per the list. For admission, item numbers 1 to 13. Yes, Mr. Nangami.
May I please, my lord?
Yes.
Lord, the petitioner in the item numbers 7 to
What is your prayer?
13, my lord. Except the item number 11, in all the other item, service is awaited upon respondent number 7 and 8. They were newly completed.
Except in item number
11.
11.
It's represented by the council.
In all the other items, service awaited.
7 to 13.
7 to 13, service awaited.
Yet, Lord.
7 to 13 would, in respect of respondent,
7
to
8.
13. 7 and 8,
7 and 8. Respondent number 7 and 8.
service awaited.
Lordship. As per the last office note.
There are so many cases, I think. Affidavit filed by the other respondents. Mr. Tongpak.
Lordship, yes, on behalf of the NU, we have filed our affidavit in the Lordship.
What about Mr. Tongpak? You have filed your affidavit? You have filed. What about Robert? You have filed? Okay. So what about Imchan?
Yes, item number 46. The newly invited as well their affidavit. So I'm giving at least 3 weeks time before my reply affidavit.
In item number
1 to 6.
1 to 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay. The affidavit in reply to all the
No, respondent number 4 and 5.
Respondent-
Newly invited.
4 and 5. Okay. 4 and 5 has filed affidavit.
Yes, Lord.
Mr. Tongpak, you are for 4 and 5.
Yes, my lord.
Tongpang,
Yes,
I'm
Tongpang.
sorry. Okay. Okay. Item number, Imchan,
1,
1,
3,
1, 3,
4, 5,
1,
and 6.
3, 4,
Yes,
4, 5, and 6.
yes.
Okay. Mr. Im Kong Im,
I am your lord.
I'm sorry. I Imchan. Learned counsel for the petitioner. In WPC 251/2022, WPC 252/2022, WPC 253/2022, WPC 254/2022, and WPC 255/2022. Submits that he may be allowed to file the affidavit in reply to the affidavit in respondent filed by the respondent number
4 and 5.
4 and 5. He may be allowed 3 weeks time, okay? 3 weeks time to file affidavit for 4 and 5. In which item? Service awaited?
Lordship, from item number 7 to 13, except item number
7 to 13.
11.
7 to 13, except item number 11.
11.
Okay. Service, service awaited? No, report service awaited. In respect of respondent number 7 and 8 in WPC,
259.
just wait, in
Item number
WPC 259/2022, 260/2022, 261/2022, 262/2022, 264, correct?
Lordship,
264/2022, and correct,
Lordship.
265/2022. List the case after 3 weeks. Okay, list the case after 3 weeks.
Can I only submit a submission?
Yeah.
By the order dated 16/1, this honorable court has also passed an order to reflect Akam Pongner as he's the standing counsel for NU. but
Okay,
so far his name is not
okay.
reflected.
The name of Mr. Akampongoner, Nagaland University, shall be reflected in the daily course list. Okay.
Obliged.
For admission, item number 14.
We wanted that matter to be listed to extend the interim on 22nd. Okay, it's all right. Okay, on his request. Yes,
Next, Lordship.
Yeah.
Links are copied to this matter.
yeah, file your affidavit, reply.
Yes, Lordship.
Mr. Nangami, we listed for hearing,
Lordship.
correct? Okay, man.
For admission hearing after 2 weeks, Lordship.
Admission hearing. What is the matter? What is that? What is your matter, Mr. Fuseko?
Lordship is a. It's a land,
Land compensation?
no, the petitioner is seeking a development in the land ownership is.
Okay. And why respondent number 4 has been impleted?
Small forest near.
No, you are challenging his appointment? Ma'am, you're for respondent 4? Okay. Okay, we listed for admission hearing. It is submitted by the learned counsel for the parties that pleadings are completed and the matter can be listed for admission hearing. Listed for admission hearing after 2 weeks.
Lordship.
Okay.
For admission, item number 15.
Yes, please.
Lord, this matter is for a conventional appointment.
Ah,
So here the petitioner is in serial number 73.
serial number instead of 72.
Yes, Lord,
72.
73 now. Before.
Instead of. Oh, instead 72 instead of 73.
Lordship.
Okay, so ma'am,
Yes, Lord, it may be accordingly disposed of. In the direction that I may be given appointment as when my turn comes.
let me see your affidavit, government's affidavit. Where have you stated that?
Lord,
73?
in my compliance affidavit.
In your
In
compliance
in-
affidavit,
Lordship.
correct.
Annexure B,
Which para?
in para number 3. Now the petitioner is recorded in the serial number 73.
In para 3, correct?
Lordship,
Okay, and which annexure?
Lordship, page number, annexure B,
Annexure B, yes, correct.
page number 9.
Page number, annexure B, page number 9.
9.
Serial,
73 Lords.
serial,
Page 9.
'73. Imna Jungshi. Imna Jungshi. Okay. Have you annexed the office memorandum, ma'am? The office memorandum for compassionate appointment? Have you annexed that?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Where is that? Let me just,
Page number 46,
46 of your application, of your petition?
page number 80.
Okay. '46. Okay. Okay, we pass the order in the chamber. Maybe. Any, any Tere, okay, and Ajungli, government advocate, Ajungli Sanctum.
Lordship.
Okay. We pass the order in the chamber. Okay. With a direction to accommodate the petitioner
Lordship.
as and when her turn comes,
Lordship.
Yes.
as per the documents enclosed by you.
Lordship.
Okay.
And
In the chamber.
For admission, item number 16.
Please, Your Lordship.
Yes, ma'am.
It has submitted that if the case is posted in the first week of February, he'll be able to place written instruction and has submitted that the case of the petitioner expressing deep anything before the date there. Again,
Who is the counsel?
again, on the 3rd of March 18, they have submitted that the concerned department, clearance has been taken for the case of the petitioner and is pending before the.
Yes, madam, what is the up-to-date report?
Your Lordship, the exact status is that, Your Lordship, the case of the petition is before the cabinet, Your Lordship.
That has been submitted before also.
It is still pending, Your Lordship. And Lordship, petitioner number here, the petitioner number 4 has already retired. Last year, since last year only.
What is your case, ma'am?
It's for regularization.
Regularization. Okay,
And they're covered this.
if you succeed, then you will be retrospectively regularized. That's no problem.
Your names are why petitioners are going to retire this month.
It's all right. It's all right.
Your names are already there, Your Lordship.
So your names are there. So at least why not you give some time to the government at least to work out? Don't be too hasty. Don't antagonize the government also, because sometimes government, if you antagonize the government,
Since last year, they submitting.
that's all right. Government, I think it takes time. But if the government is seriously considering your case, then I think you should, you should also be reasonable. That's what I think.
The case of the petitioner is squarely covered by the office memorandum. So actually.
If we go strictly by the case, who knows? You may not have a case also. But if the government is trying to consider your case, in that case, why don't you give all opportunity to the government at least to take up your case and then to consider you? I think that'll be the better way out. Okay, when can you please place the up-to-date status report?
Before the cabinet, so. The cabinet approved.
Okay, we leave two options. We give you time to produce the status report. If the status report is not produced, we hear the case on merit. Who knows? It may even go to the advantage of the government.
But in the meantime, I need to get this one record.
What record? By way of affidavit, not just like that. Okay, heard MS so-and-so, learned counsel for the petitioner, and MS Livika, the learned government advocate for the state respondents. Ms. Livika, learned government advocate, has submitted that the case of the petitioner for consideration for regularization in service is under the active consideration of the cabinet. She therefore seeks for 3 more weeks' time to place the up-to-date status report. 3 weeks' time is accordingly granted to the learned government advocate to place the up-to-date status report. Stop. It is made clear that if the status report is not placed before the court on the next date fixed, this court shall consider. This court shall proceed, this court shall not consider, this court shall proceed to hear the case on merit. Okay? Listed after 3 weeks.
For admission, item number 17.
Mr. Lordship,
Yes,
our Lordship, we have received the instruction and example declaration
okay. You are for respondent number
1 to 5.
respondent number 1, 2, and 5.
1 to 5, Your Lordship.
1 to 5. 1 to 5. Let us. Ma'am, you are for petitioner. Okay, 1 to 5. Let us see who it is. Are you the standing counsel, FCI?
Yes,
Standing counsel? Standing counsel? FCI, correct?
yes.
Okay. Your good name?
Onion.
M?
Onion.
Okay. Mr. So-and-so? Learned Standing Counsel, FCI, submits that he has received the instructions and will be filing the affidavit in 4 weeks' time. And therefore seeks adjournment of the and therefore seeks adjournment of the case. Stop. Prayer for adjournment is allowed. Listed after 4 weeks.
For admission, item number 18.
Mr. Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, this letter is also another convention and appointment, Lordship. Here, the petitioner is in serial number 4.
So yes,
Lordship,
do you want to wait for some time?
yes, if the matter can be disposed of with a specific direction, consider my guess as and when my turn comes, as per the OM.
As per the detailed statement and as per the OM,
Yes,
as per both.
yes.
Okay, I don't know. Okay, counsel for the petitioner and Ajungli. Then the governor. Okay, we pass the order. Okay.
Lordship.
Okay.
For admission, item number 19.
Mr. Lordship,
Yes, please.
worshipping the last occasion, citizen, all the respondents.
Oh.
Time to file an affidavit in court.
They have filed. You have not been served copies? Affidavit in opposition on behalf of respondent number 1 to 6. Director Postal Service, is it
Yes,
something related to the postal department?
yes, yes.
But they have filed. 1 to 6 has filed. Who is that? Who is this younger Wati?
Yeah.
Mr. Younger Wati, the learned CGC shall furnish the copy of the affidavit in opposition file on behalf of the respondent number 1 to 6 to Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the petitioner within a period of 7 days from today, listed after 3 weeks. Okay.
For admission, item number 20.
Yes, yes, ma'am.
This morning I've received the was for private statements.
Okay. Madam, 1 to 4. Respondent?
For all the respondents.
Okay, okay. So we listen for hearing? Or,
Kindly give more time to go through them.
okay, okay. Uh, MS so-and-so, learned counsel for the petitioner, 6 for 3 weeks' time to go through the affidavit in opposition filed by the state respondents and to file reply if so advised. Listed after 3 weeks.
For orders, item number 21.
Mr. Lordship.
Yes,
On behalf of Tibabon, Lordship, he is under preparation to file affidavit, so kindly grant 2 weeks of time to file affidavit.
okay, ma'am.
The service report upon respondent number 5 is still awaited, so.
Who is respondent 5? NPSC. Okay.
So you may be allowed to take justice service.
Okay, okay. Heard MS so-and-so, learned counsel for the petitioner and Mr. Ajongli Santam, learned government advocate for the state respondents.
That's the interim order.
Yes, please, please. Office note dated 14/4/2025, is it? 14/4/2025 states that return service report in respect of respondent number 5 is still awaited. Stop. The learned counsel for the petitioner submits that she may be allowed to take steps for service of notice upon the respondent number 5 by dusty process. Stop. Prayer for service of notice by dusty process is allowed. Petitioner, stop. Petitioner to take steps within 2 weeks, too long for dusty.
On Monday.
Within 7 days. Within 7 days from today. Stop. The learned government advocate is also allowed time to file the affidavit in opposition, listed after 3 weeks. Yeah, there's an interim order. Okay, okay. Stop. The interim order passed earlier shall continue till the next return date. Okay.
For orders, item numbers 22 to 24.
Yes.
May I please, my lord.
Lordship, in item 22, I'm for respondent number 1, 3, and 4.
Item 22.
22, Lordship.
1,
3 and 4,
3 and 4.
Lordship.
Uh,
And item number 23, Lordship, I'm for respondent number 1, 2, and 3.
1, 2 and 3.
three. And item number 24, Lordship, I'm again for respondent number 1, 3, and 4.
1, 3 and 4. Yes.
Lordship, some time may be granted to file my counter affidavit, Lordship.
Okay, okay. Okay.
Yes, I have not taken the
Uh,
time, but the Lordship. I haven't been paid my salary for the past 2 months, despite having an interim order. So,
Mr.
the state will be directed to pay me release my salary.
Where is that interim? Let us see.
Interim in item 18 is a patch dated 24/1/2025.
Para? Order dated 24/1. Yes. No, this is for staying the termination order. Nothing is mentioned about the salary.
No, that is why, Your Worship. I have challenged the termination order before this court, and then that was stayed, Your Worship. So I am in service and I've been rendering my service on account of the interim order. And I haven't paid back my salary for the past 2 months.
Okay. Third, Mr. Ayimchan. Learned counsel for the petitioner, and Mr. Anangami, learned senior government advocate for the state respondents. Stop. The learned senior government advocate prays for and is allowed 3 weeks' time to file the affidavit in opposition. Substance by the order dated 24/1/2025. The termination order dated 7/1/2025 in respect of the petitioner has been stayed. The department shall consider the payment of the error salary to the petitioners. Listed after 3 weeks. We have given 3 weeks, correct? Listed after 3 weeks. Okay.
Lordship,
There is an interim.
Yes, the interim order passed earlier shall continue till the next returnable date. Yes, ma'am.
Lordship, notice upon respondent number 2. Lordship, the respondent number 2 is an important respondent in this matter.
Who is this respondent number 2?
It's the Nagaland Local Lordship. It is their recommendation. We are following their recommendation.
You should not have. It is up to you. It is
Important.
it is not incumbent on the government to actually like follow the recommendation of the Lok Ayukta. You have to see whether the recommendation submitted by the Lok Ayukta is correct or not.
See, the finding seems to be correct, and therefore we have to watch the recommendation.
Okay. What is the office note with regards to respondent number 2? Return service report. Still awaited. What to do? Okay.
One more time.
Stop. Return service report in respect of respondent number 2. Awaited.
For orders, item number 25.
Yes.
Lordship, on behalf of Avidoli, Lordship here, she is yet to receive instruction.
Okay.
So kindly grant 3 weeks of time to file expression.
Okay, Mr. Moa. 1, 2. What is the matter? 1 to 8.
Lordship, we're challenging the resolution.
Something to do with the village council? So you are for 1 to 8, Mr. Moa. You're for 1 to 8. And okay. Okay. So what do we do? Have you filed a power? Mr. Jamir, learned counsel, submits that he has instructions to represent the respondent number 1 to 8. Correct?
Yes.
And will be filing power in the course of the day. Stop. He further seeks for 3 weeks' time to file the affidavit in opposition. Stop. Both The learned government advocate as well as the learned counsel for the respondent number 1 to 8 are allowed 3 weeks time to file their respective affidavit. Any interim,
Yes, there is no.
stop. The interim order passed earlier shall continue till the next returnable date. Yes. Over.